Magandang buhay! Are you ready to watch, listen, and learn? If you're ready, let's get started. So bago tayo mag-start ng ating lesson, try muna natin sagutan yung given problem dito. So, ang hanapin natin dito is area of a triangle. So, una, syempre, sulat muna natin yung formula. Ang formula natin sa finding the area of a triangle is area equals base times height divide 2. Now, may formula na tayo. Ang gagawin naman natin ay substitute. Okay? So, base natin dito ay 3 meter multiplied by height, which is 10 meter over 2. So, next step is multiply the upper part. So, 3 meter multiplied by 10 meter is equals to 30 meter squared. Okay? Then, copy lang natin yung 2 ulit. Then, after nun, magde-divide na tayo. So, 30 meter squared divide 2. So, what will be the answer? Okay, so, ang answer natin is 15 meter squared. So, this will be the final answer. So, bago tayo mag-proceed sa ating main topic ngayong araw, panoodin muna natin yung jingle.
Parallelogram. Find the area, solve it now. First get the base and then the height. Multiply both and now you're done.
Parallelogram. Find the area, solve it now. Triangle. Find the area, solve it now. First get the base and then the height. Multiply both and divide it by half. Triangle. Find the area, solve it now. Trapezoid. Find the area, solve it now. First get the base 1 and base 2. Multiply by height and divide by half. Trapezoid. Find the area, solve it now.
Okay, now, so let's proceed to our main topic. Ang title ng ating bagong topic ngayon ay Finding the Area of Trapezoid. So, this will be, itong drawing na to ay example ng trapezoid. So, ano sa tingin nyo yung kamukha niya na makikita natin sa ating bahay? Okay, very good. Di ba kamukha siya ng bubong ng ating bahay? Okay. So, ibig sabihin lang nun, yun ay isang example ng trapezoid. Okay. So, ating topic ngayon ay finding the area. So, ayan na naman tayo sa area. So, kailangan nating hanapin yung area ng trapezoid. So, para mahanap natin, syempre, kailangan nating balikan ulit yung ating jingle. Okay? So, sabi sa jingle natin, para mahanap yung area ng trapezoid, una muna natin gagawin ay hanapin yung base 1 at base 2. Okay? So, sulat natin. So, area equals, so, kailangan daw muna is yung base 1. Mahanap yung base 1 at yung base 2. Okay? So, next step naman is, kailangan naman natin mahanap yung height. Okay? Height. And yung last step is multiply by 2 para makuha natin yung area ng yung height, and then pagka nakuha na natin yung base 1 and base 2 and yung height, i-divide na natin ngayon sa 2. Okay? So, try naman natin i-solve para makuha natin yung area ng figure or example natin dito. Okay? So, base 1. So, ano yung equivalent ng base 1 natin dito sa given example? So, ang ating base 1 is 5 cm plus base 2 equivalent to 8 cm. Okay? So, next is yung height. So, what will be the height? Okay, yung height natin dito is meron tayong 6 cm. Okay? Then, copy lang natin yung naiwan. Okay, next. So, ano next step na gagawin natin? So, syempre, next step na gagawin natin is kailangan muna nating tuusin yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. Okay? Para mawala siya, yung parenthesis. Okay? So, 5 cm plus 8 cm. Ilan? Okay, very good. Meron tayong 13 cm squared. Okay, kasi, kaya naging squared kasi nga. So, ang una natin gagawin is yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. Okay, so add muna natin yung 5 cm plus 8 cm. So, ano yung magiging sagot? Okay, ang magiging sagot natin ay 13 cm. Okay, tapos copy lang natin yung mga natira. Yung 6 cm and then yung 2. Okay, so natanggal na ba natin yung 2. So, next step naman natin is, sabi natin sa jingle, is after natin makuha yung or matuos yung base 1 and 2, pumultiply naman natin sila or yung makuha natin sagot sa height, which is yung 6 cm. So, multiply natin. 13 cm multiplied by 6 cm is equals to, very good, 78 cm squared. Okay? Then, copy yung natira. Yung 2. Okay? So, next step naman tayo is, ang gagawin naman natin dito is division. Okay? So, pag division, i-divide natin yung 78 cm squared to 2. Okay. So, para hindi na mahirapan, ang gagawin lang natin is, hahatiin natin yung 78 sa dalawa. Okay? So, what will be the answer? Okay, very good. Ang magiging sagot natin is 39 cm squared. Okay? So, this will be the final answer. So, ang area ng ating trapezoid or given trapezoid ay 39 cm squared. Let's have another example. So, una natin gagawin ulit is yung formula. So, given yung formula natin. So, yung gagawin lang natin is substitute natin yung mga given numbers sa figure. So, base 1. Ang base 1 natin dito is 3 cm. Then, copy the operation. Then, yung base 2 natin is 6 cm. Then, yung height is equals to 4 cm. Then, copy lang natin yung naiwan, which is yung 2. Okay? So, next step is, kailangan muna natin ma-eliminate yung parentheses. So, una natin gagawin is addition. So, 3 cm plus 6 cm is equals to 9 cm. Then, copy lang natin ulit yung mga naiwan, which is yung 4 cm and then yung 2. The next step, ang gagawin naman natin is multiplication. Okay? So, 9 centimeters multiplied by 4 centimeters is equals to so 9 centimeter multiplied by 4 centimeter is equals to 36 centimeter squared. Okay, may squared na tayo kasi nag-multiply na tayo. Then, copy lang ulit yung naiwan. Okay, so next step naman is division. Okay, 36 centimeter square divide 2. So, what will be the answer? Pagkahinati natin yung 36. So, ang magiging sagot ay 18 cm squared. So, ito na yung ating final answer. Your practice, sagutan natin yung activity na ito.